guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is GinaJyneen, and if you like what you see in today's video, I would love if you guys subscribed. I like to think of myself as your thick best friend because everybody needs a thick best friend, guys, girls, everybody. Or if you are a returning subscriber, if you've been here, my A1 day ones, welcome back, and I hope you enjoy today's video. Y'all, I do have a special video for you guys. This is part 2 of Battle of the Waist Trainers. Now, you guys know I am always on a journey of bettering myself, tightening up my physique, eating healthy, working out, and incorporating waist trainers. In that is something that I have been doing for many years. If you guys have watched me since I first started my channel, waist trainers is something that I have used on and off for many years. You guys do know I don't keep it any type of secret. You do know that I have had lipo, I have had a tummy tuck. So my results that I get with waist training will be different than the results that you get, but I definitely think it's a benefit for everybody. Y'all, part 1 of my Battle of the Waist Trainer video, I did do that one a few years ago, and that was with Femme Shapewear, and that's who I'm going to be collaborating with today. So a huge shout out to them for sponsoring today's video and just having top-notch waist trainers. So all of the links to the items I'm going to show you guys will be down below. A link to that very first video of the Battle of the Waist Trainers will be linked down below as well. You guys checked it out, and you guys can see how just well the products have transitioned from when I worked with them a few years ago till now. You guys will see I was about 25 pounds smaller in that video. But you can get the same benefits whether you're smaller or a little thicker, okay? So guys, let's go ahead and get into it. I have about, I want to say maybe about 8 items that I'm going to show you guys today. Now this first one is your classic latex 3-hook waist trainer. This is the one that everybody should pretty much be used to seeing. So it's latex on the outside. The inside is a nice fabric, so it won't be rough on your skin. All of the items I'm showing you are in a size extra large. In the video link down below, you guys can see I was a little bit smaller. All of those are in a size large. So just go by whatever measurements you are, line those up to the measurement guide that they have on their website and get the right size that's good for you. Right now, my waist is probably about 33 inches. So if you want to use me for a little bit of a size guide, you can. All right, so I do have mine on the middle hook. As you can see, just for video purposes, I'm wearing it outside of my clothes. You can definitely wear this underneath your leggings. You can just put it on, put your leggings over top, your top over top of this. But this is how it looks. Not too uncomfortable. It is not rolling up on the hips at all. Let me show you a little bit of a squat. You can go up, down, no rolling. It did not roll at all. It's super comfortable. This is definitely one that you can wear at work, underneath your scrubs, underneath your work outfit, your blazer. It's super comfortable. This is how it looks in the back. And yeah, this is just the classic latex waist trainer. And I did want to come back and show you guys how discreet it is. This is the same latex one. This is how it would look underneath your workout clothes, underneath your work clothes, however you decide to wear it. It's very discreet. No one will be able to tell. I mean, I have it on, it snatches in my waist, and it looks like I just have on my regular workout outfit. Okay, so next we have the latex hook with zipper. This one, as you see, it still has 3 rows of hooks, so you can adjust it. And then it has a zipper on the outside. This one is made to be a little bit more discreet because, as you can see, once it's zipped up, you can't see any bumps from the hooks. It is just a straight line from the zipper. This one as well can be worn underneath your clothes. Like I said, I'm just showing them outside of my clothes just so you guys can see how they look on the body. This one as well, I'm going on the 2nd row of hooks. You do whatever's comfortable for you. As you can see, I'm not struggling putting this on. I think waist trainers need to cinch you, but also be comfortable. There's no reason for you to be struggling, out of breath, breaking a sweat, putting these on. Now I'm gonna put this one on the 3rd row because of course this area of my body is smaller. Here we go, and then you just connect the zipper and zip it up. Once again, it's not gonna roll up on your hips even if you have larger hips like me. It's comfortable, it's cinching me in, but I am not in any type of discomfort. It looks good with my workout outfit. So this is actually how I usually like to wear mine. Well, usually I'll put my leggings up over top of it, but I'll have this part showing. So I don't think it looks bad at all. This is latex. I really like the zipper detail. I actually think this one will probably be more comfortable underneath your clothes. If you're gonna be somebody who wears these to work, I think this one with the zipper would probably be best for that. So when I say battle, I mean battle. So this is another zip and clasp. The first one that I showed you guys was latex. This one is the neoprene material. So as you know, it zips up for a seamless look. And it has the clasps on the inside, but except this one has almost like a double waist trainer. The one that I just showed you guys before, it just had small clasps on the inside. This one has a whole extra layer of clasps. Then you bring this around and it zips. So you choose which design you like better. Make sure your shirt doesn't get caught up in there. There we go. And then it does have a clasp up top, almost like a bra hook. I can't really see. I got it on there good enough. This is what it looks like. Nice and smooth, sleek. So this is the next waist trainer from Femme Shapewear. This one is a diamond patterned waist trainer. Now this one isn't latex. This is more of like, I believe this is neoprene. It has the Velcro attachments in the front. It has zipper in the middle. This one to me is more of a, I call them workout belts, just because the material. So as you see, y'all, this is super easy to zip up. And then once it's zipped, you get the straps from the back and you pull them as tight as you can. So I suck in, bring it all the way around. Same with this. Bring this one in for the lower part of your stomach. Bring it all the way around. Look, I can do that a little bit prettier. Let me do that prettier. So as you can see, snatch, snatch. I really like this one. This material, this one is good to wear to the gym. I wouldn't recommend this one to wear underneath your like clothes at work if you're trying to get a lot of hours in of wearing your waist trainer. Get the latex one for throughout the day. Get this one when you go to the gym. Once again, I just remember those old school waist trainers. As soon as I would put them on, they would roll up on my hips. I would sit down, they would roll up on my hips. You do not have to worry about that with this. And it has a cute pattern. I love this one. Next waist trainer is the same as one I just showed you before. It has the double straps here along with the zipper in the middle. The only difference is this one is just plain black colored, but it's also that neoprene scuba material. You guys know that's how the material looks. Very thick, but still gives you nice stretch. Okay, this is how this one looks. Comes down low on the hips, down here in a lot of problem areas of the lower stomach, and still snatches you in. Very breathable, very comfortable. It's just a different color, just solid black. Next we have their neoprene waist belt. This is similar to the one that I just tried on, but this one targets just mainly your middle section, mainly your abs, not the lower section down here, and it's really cute. This is one of the ones that when you wear it outside of your gym clothes, it's really cute because it comes in different colors. So it does have that extra layer of snatchtivity here on the sides. So this one doesn't have any hooks, any zippers. What you do is you suck it in, you bring it across, suck it in as much as you can. Then you bring the straps from the back and you do a good pull, suck, strap it there, pull, suck, and then you strap it here. So as you see, this literally is just right on the waist. Once again, this is another one that's going to be really comfortable to wear to the gym. It's right on your abs. It doesn't even really go on your hips, so it won't roll up just like any of the other ones. It's not going to roll up on you. And it's cute. And the good thing about these also, when you sit down, this helps for good posture support. A lot of us will sit down, hunch over a little bit. Our shoulders are slouchy. This helps for you guys to work on your posture as well. Get into it. Now they also did send me over a posture corrector. This is how it looks. I know everybody is not in the market for a waist trainer. So if you aren't in the market for a waist trainer, we all can work on our posture, and this is something, once again, that you can wear underneath your clothes. It's really comfortable. It goes on like a backpack almost. You just put your arms through here, through there, and you see how it's over your shoulders. This is how it looks on the back. You grab your straps, you pull them tight, not so tight to where you're uncomfortable. Once it's pulled tight enough, you strap it there, pull this side, strap it there, and this is how it looks on your back. And this helps you walk straight, sit straight, so you'll have your waist trainer on and your posture corrector on your back. And before you know it, we are going to be sitting up like we went to boarding school as kids. We're going to be sitting up, which makes us look more confident, more feminine, and it will help us demand attention, okay? Now the very last item in this waist trainer battle is this neoprene vest. As you guys can see, it gives you support all the way up your back. It has adjustable straps that go over your shoulders, and as well it has the zipper as well as the hooks on the inside. This is definitely one that I would not wear over top of my gym clothes. I am putting it over my gym clothes just for the purpose of showing you guys how it looks. This is one of the ones that needs to be more discreet, and you wear this underneath, okay? So that's how it goes on. Here's the layer of clasps, and then it has that second layer of, I like to say, snatchtivity, to where you zip it up. And this is how this one looks on. You can see the straps here. They're adjustable. Everything is nice and smooth and sleek. This one also has the little snap hook here, so you can snap it all the way to the top. So you can see it's snapped there. This is how it looks in the back. And once again, nice, comfortable, don't have to worry about it rolling up on your hips. None of their items are made to where you're gonna feel way too restricted, too uncomfortable. You're not gonna break a sweat putting these on. These are not dangerous to wear. These are very safe to wear all day long. I've been rocking with Femme Shapewear for many years at this point, and I have nothing but wonderful things to say about them, and I've had great results. So guys, that is it for my battle of the waist trainers. Let me know which one you like the best, which one you think would be best for you. All of the details, links, everything will be down below. Like I said, you can use my body size and measurements, or you can use the measurements that are on their website to get the great fit for you. I have all of my items in a size extra large, and they all fit me great. Also, check out the video of my first review that I did with them a few years ago. It will be linked down below as well. And you guys check them out. We got to start working on our summer bodies now because we have vacations coming up and we're going to be on islands drinking pina coladas, and you need your Femme Shapewear to help snatch your waist in. Guys, check them out. Now I'm about to go get me something to eat. And I might get my little second workout in for the day because this time around I'm not playing no games, okay?